Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, I will guide you through on how to walk together in real time in Notion, collaborating with people. So, let's dive into the wonders of working together seamlessly. It's like magic. Every edit, every comment springs to life before your eyes, a symphony of contributions shaping the canvas. To get started, click the clock icon at the top right corner to unveil a chronicle of changes. Who did what and precisely when. Watch as added content illuminates in vibrant blue, while gray strike-throughs elegantly mark what's been removed. And to discover where people have left their thoughts, enriching the tapestry of collaboration, just click on Add Comment. And you and your team can comment on each other's work. And that's the magic of real-time collaboration in Notion, a stage where minds unite, visions intertwine, and creativity knows no bounds. That's it. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you out, and see you in the next video.